All right, I'm back. I have the heat press warming up. This is my hat press, Heat Press Nation hat press. This is a hat label press. We're going to show you how I do neck labels on the back of t-shirts for orders that I do for most of my customers, and we'll fold them. So this will be another video. Tim, T-Town T-shirts, and stick around. I'll show you what we're about to do here. Okay, let's go. All right, we're back. This is ready to go. It's beeping at me. So I'm about to put neck tags on. I get neck tags from a few places. I've usually got mine and I put them in a container like this. So I have 4 containers, and it has, I put labels on them too. It says black 50-50, gray 100, gray 50-50, black 50-50. And then I have youth and adults in the same box, either side. And I pulled out all of the tags I need for each one of my shirts. We just pulled these shirts out of stock. So there's a couple 50-50s in here, and the gray one, it only comes in 50-50. So I color coordinate. I typically do a black logo. I have a black label or a gray logo for each one of my shirts. You'll see later that the dark gray probably needed a white label, but I'm not going to have 3 different types of colors. And I guess I could do a white and a gray, or a white and a black instead of white and a gray, but we'll see how that goes. So yeah, these are just basic Gildan shirts. That's 100%. I'm going to test the pressure settings. There's no pressure to that. Tighten it down. This has a firm pressure. These labels, I forgot where I got them from. The guy that I get them from takes a while to print them and ship them. Stan from T-Shirt Side Hustle, he got me onto him. As I'm going through the video, maybe I'll think of the company off the top of my head. And that's where I get them from. These are going to press at 350 for 15 seconds. And this is what my logo looks like. Hope you can see that. What I do on here is I put my logo here. I put my logo here, 100% medium, and then made in the USA. Because it was pressed in the USA. The shirt might not be the USA. If you want to stick with guidelines, just leave one of the tearaway labels on. Typically what I do, I typically rip off the name brand and leave the other portion of it too. So when you give it away to the people, it still has all the information you need. So there, it's done. So take it off the shirt, peel the label. There's the label on the inside of the shirt. And like I said, these are tearaway labels. You gotta be careful with these too though, because the bottoms could rip out. So take that, rip that label out, and you can leave that one in there. They have all the origins and all that good stuff, the information that you will need. Okay, we'll put that shirt up there. The next medium on here, knock that out. Label under there. Give it a press. 350, 15 seconds. These, I think they come with instructions, or they came with instructions 325 for 10 seconds. It doesn't. I like 350. Peel them off. Take that and peel it off. On to the next shirt. My trash can is not here no more. Bring the trash can closer. So this green one, let's see, this green one is a 50-50 large. And then we'll go here. You can be real precise on labels, or you can just put them on there. I like to just get them pretty close. I mean, it's probably better to have them totally straight, but we'll see. Not we'll see, but you know, a lot of people probably don't even pay attention. Which sucks because we're taking this extra time. So there's the black on the green. And then, like I said, we'll take off the top label. Head on. All right, go to the red. The red is going to be 100%. I've noticed it's best to check each shirt when you put on there, especially sizes. It really sucks to have to try to make the right size, and I've had to do that plenty of times. Red shirts could have did gray, but we went with that color. And now we're going to get into the gray ones. This is black 100%. We'll do my gray logo, same thing, just in a silver or a gray. Lock it down, we'll see what it looks like. There's the gray logo. Black shirt. Last two. So here's that dark gray on the light gray. I check this. 50-50. 50-50. On my new labels that I had made from stalls, they're 365 for 4 seconds. I actually made it a little bit bigger. I actually left off what the shirt was made out of. Is that one? So I actually left off what the shirt was made out of, because I do tend to try to leave this bottom logo on, this bottom label on. If the customer wants to rip them off, they can. So I like to do that, and at least it gets my logo on their website, all that good stuff. So this is the youth size. So this youth, I actually have a different design. This is what this design looks like. That helps me just differentiate what shirt was what and all that good stuff. So that was 100% medium, youth medium. So like I said, I did a different one for youth, but my new logo, my new labels that I did get made, which have a totally different design, I left off 100% 50-50. There's that. So those are those shirts. Now we'll fold them up and bag them up. I did realize that I'm out of my normal bags, a couple of my normal bags, so we're going to use a bigger bag that I normally don't use, but we'll fold them up and go from there. But like I said, labels, they're great to have on there. Knows your website on the inside. Like I said, my new ones, I left out what percent, 50-50, 100. My big reason I left it off is because I've been leaving the bottom label on that has all that information in there anyways. And on top of it, you can use it on any shirt that you want. If it's a polyester shirt, if it's a 100%, 50-50. What I've noticed is when you get to the 100%, when you get to some of the Heather ones, they might have a 90-10, and I'm not making a label for a 90-10. So I will want to run through the rest of these, and then I'll probably switch over to the other ones, which are a little bit bigger. I may still go with the same company, which I just brought in my head. That's Top Transfers, TOPP Transfers is where I got those made from. His shipping and production time is really slow, but I believe that he does it all himself. He's not like the big companies where they have big machinery that I know of. I've talked to him a few times about projects that fell through or didn't fall through, or I needed other information about all that good stuff. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, ding the bell, and we'll move this and we'll fold some shirts. See you in a minute. All right, here we go. We're going to fold up these shirts that I just did. We're going to do the youth. Like I said, the ones that I normally use to bag them up, they are 11 by 14. They work perfect for one shirt, maybe a beanie, something like that. Hoodies, they don't fit in there very well. I want to try to find a better one for those. But I do have a youth, so I do have a couple of them. I'll probably use that size for this used shirt. So a lot of people fold these up different than I do, which I like them both ways, whichever way they do. I do it upside down, make sure it's straight on there, fold this over, fold that over, go up. This is the way that I do it. This is a tough way. Now you have to figure out how you want to load it into your bag. So that's the tough part about this. I'll show you the other way in a minute. That goes in the bag. Okay, fold it over, peel this off. Get all the air out. There you go, in the bag. Youth medium. I'll put them in the bag. I also print off stickers, youth medium. And I only have one youth medium. Here it is, youth medium. It has a QR code on it, has my logo. Put it right up at the top. Boom. QR code, ready to go for that shirt. This is the way that my wife does it, and probably a better way of doing it. They do it upside down like this, then fold this over so they fit inside there, and make sure that's in the center again, like that. Fold over like that, fold, 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 fold. So now the shirt's facing you to put it in the bag. And unfortunately, I don't have my small bags anymore, so we're going to put these in bigger bags. Okay, so not a fan of these big bags. I will probably just fold up all the shirts and put them all in one bag. Darn it. Okay, I'm just going to fold up each shirt and then throw it in this bag here. They're too big, so does it matter which way we fold them? Probably not. So we'll fast forward this right here, and we'll see in a second. Okay, they're all folded up. Got this off of Amazon. I'm not sure. See if there's a brand on here. This is Box Legend. The fundamental fold. It actually gives you instructions on there. I never even looked at that. But this is off Amazon. Maybe I'll put a link in there eventually here. We'll lay these shirts out here. There you go, all folded up. Show you a little preview of it. There you go, we'll put them in the bags. There you go, ready to go. One other sticker I do have that I do typically put on too is I have a sticker here. Let's give us a follow. Hashtag, not hashtag, but has a QR code on it. It's my link tree, and put it right in the bag. Okay, so these labels here, I have a Brothers label printer that I got from my tint business, Tint Wiz. Bought labels off the Amazon, the bigger ones and the smaller ones, and that's how I print my labels. I use it for both businesses. I used it for inventory on the other one. So, Tim, T-Town T-shirts. Hope you like this video. We'll put this together, see how long we can get this video to go. Maybe I'll make 2 videos, maybe I'll make 1 video out of this. So this is DTF Prints from fatdadprintco.com, and my labels on my neck labels for these shirts with my logo and sizes, and this net labels have what percentage of is in the shirt, 100%, 50-50. So like, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you on the next one. And getting close. A couple more videos to record, and we'll make it to December. Okay, Tim, T-Town T-shirts, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.